Man shot, chopped, then set on fire in cassava piece.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Police are now probing the gruesome murder of a man in cassava piece on Tuesday morning, June the 5th, as violence intensifies in the St. Andrew community. The deceased has been identified as 23-year-old Lorenzo Thomas, otherwise called Israel or Chulups, of a Cassava Piece Road address. Thomas was reportedly at home when about 3:30 a.m. armed men kicked in the door to the house that he occupied and shot him. He was then chopped, after which his body was then set ablaze by the hoodlums. The police were summoned, the scene processed and his body removed to the morgue. It is the latest round of violence in and around Cassava Piece in recent days, following the shooting incident involving dancehall entertainer Mavado in the community and the murder of a man in the nearby Constant Spring market. Mavado was reportedly involved in a physical confrontation which led to him being shot at on Saturday around 11:30 a.m. Later that day, Cassava Piece resident Ian Robinson, otherwise called a Gaza Man, was shot dead at the Constant Spring market. Police say they are now monitoring the area and have not made any connection between the spate of recent attacks.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.